Are you ready for this? Yeah, you know you are. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever in the world you are. So today we are looking at Born Pretty's Baby Pink collection. It is a collection of 6 gels, 7 milliliters per bottle, and they are super pretty. And of course, Born Pretty is eco-friendly and a healthy polish. But I will say, always remember to take all the safety precautions that you can when using gel polishes, and make sure to wear your gloves. We don't want allergies. So you can get this and many other of Born Pretty's collections either on the Born Pretty website itself or on Amazon.com. Right now, y'all, this collection and some other really gorgeous collections of the 7 milliliter bottles are on sale. So make sure to check that out. I will also leave my discount code in the description box so you can save some coins. So while I'm pulling these out, I do want to show you I love their packaging. This packaging is so secure. Sometimes it's hard to get them out of the packaging, but this packaging is not flimsy. It's actually fantastic. It really, really protects those gel polishes from getting damaged. You see how well that is packaged. So anyway, we have 6 gorgeous colors in this baby pink collection, and I have my swatch sticks all ready to go. Now I am going to swatch these with 2 layers because I want you to be able to see the difference in color between 1 layer and 2 layers. It has actually always shocked me how much different polishes look with 1 layer compared to 2 layers. The two layers actually really, really brightens the color and makes those colors like super rich. So, oh, isn't that a gorgeous baby pink? Yeah, these are all gorgeous. So, I am going to go ahead and let you watch me swatch these. Of course, I will do the top coat and the matte top coat so that you can compare and see what they look like between the 2 different. I'm even going to do the glitter with a matte top coat so that you can see how gorgeous matte top coat is on glitter polishes. Yeah, it's one of my favorite looks. I also did want to mention that if you notice that these gels look really thick, it's not the gel. My house is between 45 and 50 degrees for the last week. So all of my gel polishes are like super thick and just not cooperating, which is why I haven't really done much in the way of nails this last week. This cold snap, y'all, is just driving me crazy. I am not a cold weather person at all. 100% not. It is literally so cold that I have my faucets dripping at night so that my pipes don't freeze up. And y'all, they froze up anyway. So I have been without water for about 5 days. But I think hopefully it is going to come back on today because I think it's going to warm up during the day just enough that those pipes will come unfrozen. So yeah, fingers crossed there. You absolutely gotta love life's temporary inconveniences. But I do want you to notice that even though these gel polishers are so cold that it's made them thicken up, I want you to notice how smooth and creamy they're actually going on, even though. So that should tell you the quality of these Born Pretty polishes. They are just stunning colors, and they are a fabulous quality product. I was very impressed how easily these went on and just glided beautifully despite the being so cold. But anyway, I will leave the description box, the link in the description box for this gel polish set and the other gel polish sets that are on sale on Amazon. Make sure to go pick them up because I know you are going to love them. And don't forget to use that discount code if you can. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you watch, and I'm going to be quiet because I have blabbered way too much. and let you watch these absolutely gorgeous colors glide onto these swatch sticks. I will be back in another video with a nail design using this gorgeous collection. And as always, sending loves, hugs, prayers, and good wishes to each and every one of you.